Are you looking for the best MIG welder and your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best MIG welder that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Hobart Handler 210 MVP Gas MIG Welder. A high-quality, portable welder is important for welders who frequently move around on the job. The Hobart Handler 210 allows portability and convenience through the use of a multi-voltage plug. One of the main features of interest, and something that impressed several customers, is the option for the unit to be plugged into either a 115-volt or 240-volt outlet. The Hobart MIG Welder is an extremely versatile machine and can be used to work on auto body, household repairs, or even heavier welding projects requiring extra power. It also comes with a 10-feet H100S4 10-spool welding gun, a 10-feet work cable with ground clamp, and a built-in gas solenoid valve and dual-gauge regulator with a gas hose. Up next in the 4th place is the YESWELDER MIG Welder 110V Flux Core Wire Welder. This machine's size and dimensions are what make the YESWELDER 135 amp MIG Welder the most compact machine on our list. Several customers were also impressed with how versatile and powerful this little machine is for flux core and effortlessly smooth welding. With little splatter, the YESWELDER MIG does the job nicely. The welding gun is easy to use, and for both the hobbyist and most avid welders looking to complete a variety of jobs, this MIG welding machine also has stick, lift TIG weld capacity and flux core welding processes. One happy customer wrote, "Overall, I'm impressed. The machine is light and compact, really easy to tote around. Plenty of punch for nominal repair jobs and light." Another reviewer wrote, "Good variable voltage for more welding precision or welding thicker metal. Reliable feed system, and 2 decent grounding stick clamps, very compact and lightweight." The 3rd product on our list is the RDE00E MIG Welder, at just 11 pounds in weight. The RDE00E is the lightest MIG welder on our list. It's an easy-to-use machine that helps carry out home DIY and general repair jobs. It also has a convenient carry belt which makes it easier to transport around the garage or to any off-site jobs. The RDE00E MIG Welder has a built-in welding process to help fine-control the output parameters for stable arc performance with less splatter. It also has an infinite voltage and wire feed speed to help support as perfect a weld as possible. The MIG welder can weld up to a 1/4 inch and handles 0.030 inches flux core wire. "Small but mighty," wrote one happy customer. "For a beginner, this is just a perfect welding machine. It's easy, simple to use, and lightweight." Another customer wrote, "For the price, the quality of the items included is worth the purchase. The auto feed is nice for beginners and is easy to use once you find your sweet spot." Second on our list is the Forney EasyWeld 261. For completing odd jobs in and around the home, the Forney EasyWeld 261 is a good pick. Customers were pleased with how easy it is to use on smaller, more light-duty welds, and it has infinite voltage and infinite wire speed control to dial in a weld suitable to the task you need to carry out. The Forney EasyWeld has a power output of up to 140 amp and is capable of welding steel up to 0.25 inches. If you're looking for a gasless MIG welding machine to assist with multiple DIY projects, the 19-pound Forney EasyWeld 261 might just be the welding machine for you. One happy customer who bought this machine wrote, "This is a great little welder if you need a light-duty, compact welder." Another reviewer added, "For a gas welder, it welds beautifully. I replaced the cross members in my father's 2 Chevrolet Silverado and it laid beautiful welds. I highly recommend DIY jobs." Finally, the top product on our list is the LOTOS MIG 175A MIG Welder. For MIG welding aluminum, the LOTOS MIG 175 uses an aluminum spool gun, which several customers described as great quality. With the spool gun included in the price, a 3/16 of an inches or thinner mild steel or aluminum plate can be welded. The LOTOS is popular with seasoned welders, being mostly used by customers with a lot of experience, but many intermediate-level welders who want to upgrade to a more advanced welder often choose this model as their first professional option. One happy customer wrote, "This thing is a beast. Plenty of power. The aluminum spool gun that came with it is great quality and works like a tool should." Another reviewer wrote, "I wanted to weld aluminum and this package with the spool gun is the best deal out there. You will need to buy a bottle of pure argon when doing aluminum." Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.